Hey, what's up guys? This is Andre and it's Christmas somewhere, right? Anyways, my wife just calls me, well, not calls me, she wakes me up and she's like, hey Andre, there's an auction, starts at like 6 minutes. And I'm like, oh shoot. So I jump in the car, don't have money on me, throw a Christmas shirt on, and there's a bunch of people in here and they're calling me newbie and all that stuff. And I win this storage unit. It's like a closet, and I paid 25 bucks. So that's so funny. Anyways, I'm not gonna go through it because my wife will kill me. We're gonna go through it at home. So it's kind of like gambling, you know. You go to a casino by the beach, you know, you throw in 25 bucks and you lose it, you know, and then you say thank you to the lady and you're done. But wait, in here it's a little different. It's kind of like gambling, but it's kind of like, it's gambling, let's just put it that way. So let's go. I'll show you my unit, guys. Well, not guys, but let's go. I did not know I'm gonna win this thing for 25 bucks. I think I think I overpaid. Don't really remember. Oh, it's this one right here. So you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Voila! This is what I got. I got 2 bags. Someone was paying 75 bucks for this thing. And I got 4 mattresses. Great. Oh my, this is heavy. Hopefully it's not dirty laundry. So yeah, I'm gonna take this in the car, take it home. Some stuff goes to Goodwill, like the mattresses, and wish me luck. Subscribe to my channel. Watch my stuff. So we got this unit right here for 25 bucks. We got 4 mattresses. One of the mattresses I already took it out. 3 bags. This one looks like it's full of socks. It's really heavy. Feels like clothing. There's a wire sticking out. I mean, someone was paying 75 bucks a month for this unit. 75 bucks, that's a lot of money. Let's see. I think I'm just taking 2 mattresses and 3 bags today, and I will have to pick this up later. So wish me luck, okay? All right, see you guys later. Check this out. The mattresses are in there. Some bags. I think I'm ready to go. What do you think? Let's go see what we got. It smells like smoke in here. I think it was a smoker. Great. All right, so this is what we got. We got 2 bags right here, one in the front. I'm not even unloading all these mattresses because they're going straight to Goodwill, and we'll see. We'll go through the bag, see if there's only garbage in there and no treasures. Going back to Goodwill too. You ready? Bag number 1, Tef. Start digging.
I already see garbage.
Huh?
I already just see garbage.
Well, it's a good cable.
Where's your gloves?
Do we need gloves? There's like socks in there. Can we get another garbage can so we can just dump it in it? The hell did I buy? She told me to buy it.
No! That's not how it went down.
You want to get some gloves or no? Anyways, how about you record me? I'll just take a shower in bleach. Okay. Katie wanted some Vans, right?
And you wanted some socks, yeah?
Oh man, how am I gonna put this back?
Oh my gosh, I feel like I want to vomit. Like,
The hell is this?
look what your dad bought, Leah. Remember earlier he said he wanted socks? His dream came true.
Oh, a bag of socks. Maybe there's... Leah, you wanna go through these socks?
No.
Maybe there's treasure in these socks.
Why would someone save a bag of dirty socks?
I don't even know. This is messed up.
Are these vintage shoes at least?
Can you check?
They're not.
Where's my shoe people, huh? Where's Wade? Oh yeah, he
Adidas.
likes Nikes. He don't like Adidas. I got some flaming hot undies for me, hon. You want me to put them on for you? Okay, go ahead, Leah. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's getting better.
It smells like smoke, too.
I'm done. I'm done.
Oh, a bag of underwear. So a bag of socks, a bag of...
Did those flies just fly out of here?
I don't... No, they're flying
There's
through here.
nothing... There's nothing to even recoup your money back.
Can you check pockets? You'll find needles in these pockets, right? These are nice skinny jeans. They're pastel.
Is there like a wallet inside of them?
No. Hey, there's some shit in these pants right here.
It stinks.
It's this thing. Come on. And people don't even wash clothing when they... Can you imagine people don't wash clothing when they sell it? Like, boom in your face. Okay, let's see what this is.
Well, the last bag don't seem to
It's a big bag, huh?
full.
Okay, what is this thing?
But okay, here's the question.
Security
Why would
service.
someone put this stuff in a bag and put it into storage?
I don't know.
Like, obviously they weren't going to come back for it, and there was a reason.
You think I was rigged and scammed and
No, I
bent
just
over?
think you need someone to take this stuff to Goodwill,
Hold this?
and they just paid you to do it.
No. I paid them to do it. I paid them to do it. I'm
Yeah,
like,
that's what I meant.
Let me take your garbage and do 2 loads to Goodwill, and here you go, $25.
I mean, it
It's
stinks.
better right there.
Like,
Okay, please be something better. It's a big garbage bag. Oh my god.
that's a lot of undies.
Oh, your phone.
What if Goodwill wanted to take it? All right,
Oh, blankies.
blanket. It's a good blanket.
No,
Going camping, good blanket.
no. There's like dog fur all over it. Can you please put it?
It says ER on it.
Yeah, that's not ER. That's RE, and that's Target. This man had a dog.
This guy had a dog. You got a shoelace. It's not a shoelace. Please be iPhone charger. No, it's Android. Maybe we'll find a phone in here. Okay, so and this is like these things. What does it say in here?
What does it say?
Cold storage.
This is a cold storage right here. They're messing with me. They're messing with me, and it's supposed to be Christmas somewhere.
Wait, cold storage?
Maybe give this to my dad.
Hey, don't touch it, Leah.
Smoke through it. There's like, come on, money. Like, what's the point of looking for money if this guy couldn't pay his bill? Oh my God, this is like garbage. I think I should have worn.
Don't dig through that, Dad. There's underwear more.
Maybe we should give this to Robert. What does it say in here?
Extra large for Robert.
See more socks.
How much is this?
Shoe goo.
Shugu. Okay, how much is this thing worth? It's brand new. Send it to Amazon today. You know what? We're selling Shugu. Okay, so we got one item in here. We got one item in here. Sealed package right here. Treasures. Ooh. Maybe we'll find a bike in here too.
Oh, that's a Walmart brand.
Is it?
Yep.
It smells like pot and cigarettes. I'm afraid to like go through the pockets. I want needles to stab me. Is this Walmart brand, do you think?
Uh-huh.
I can't got a leather jacket.
No, this stuff reeks. Like, I don't...
You don't find this funny anymore.
No. I mean, I don't think those socks were clean. Oh. What? You found something? You found something real good, yeah?
Something real good. Go, Leah, get out of here. I found his friend.
Is it a rat? Is it a rat? Is it a rat? Let me see. Let me see.
It's a rat.
Let me see.
It's not a rat. Go.
I want to see.
No,
Are we
it's
going?
gross.
Are we going more through this thing?
I don't think so. I think we're done. I think game over.
Huh?
Eliana, it's caca. Game over. Let's go inside and get popsicles. Dad just spent our money for nothing.
$25. What if there's something else in here? Come on. You didn't know there. Can you Google this?
I'm not gonna Google it. I bought Shugu. And it's like
Maybe there's a skateboard inside.
$10.
$10. I need a garbage bag. Go, Eliana, go.
Oh yeah, it's caca.
Don't touch this stuff. Go.
My basket.
Take your bucket inside.
So what do you guys think?
I think it could have spent $25 at a garage sale and done way better.
Like Goodwill. Should have went to Goodwill. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Didn't do it. I went to a storage unit.
It's like I send you to a storage unit just to see the. Stop filming me. Just to see, and you come back with this. I didn't say just buy one just to buy one.
Sorry.
I think there's like rules. Like if you see like nasty mattresses and black bags, it's like don't buy me.
Okay.
And this was like a.
I think we need to go through it more.
I'm not going through it more. Just kick it. Kick it.
There's some pants in there. It says Dickies. Oh, you know who likes Dickies? Reezy likes Dickies. Hey, Reezy, I got some Dickies for you.
You do not want to go on the other side.
Vintage, black line.
No, how about Poland?
Huh?
Oh, these reek, Andre. There's nothing in here, Andre. I mean, I cannot imagine it being anything good down there.
What's my conclusion? This is garbage. This is the garbage that I need to donate. There's a couple of things we might sell. That's mattresses. And this is the dude's friend right here. Some kind of a worm. What the hell is that thing? Huh?
You done?
Yes, I'm done. Well, thank you for watching my my treasure hunt. Thank you, honey, for sending me on this treasure hunt. I should have gambled it at Dottie's. Should have went to casino for the money. Or the Benz. What do you think? Would you do it again? Or if there's mattresses, no.
Yeah.
We're not taking mattresses. No, there's no more mattresses.
Well, if you would have saw something else decent, but you just saw black bags.
I know, overpriced. I should have paid like $5.
Was someone else bidding on it?
Oh, there's a bunch of people. I don't know if they bid it or not. So what do I think on storage units? It's like anything. It's a hit and miss. Now I feel like a bunch of crap is crawling all over me. I need to take I am taking a shower after this unit. That's a first. Well, that's a must. I just need to find a place to drop these mattresses because I just donated the clothing into those green bins. You see those green bins? That's right. I just threw it in there and I donated. At least I'm doing, you know, I'm doing a good deed. I'm donating. It was a big waste of time and money because I have to still come tomorrow and pick up those other 2 mattresses in there. So conclusion on storage units, I mean, sometimes you're gonna have a shitty day. Like I'm having a shitty day with the smile on my face. That's how you do it. I'm thinking if there's mattresses and bags, you don't buy. Like you don't buy. Like why would you buy that? Like why did I buy that? I just gave myself a headache. I could have enjoyed my Friday, but no, I'm driving around trying to donate mattresses. It's one of those things. It's tough. Well, you know, it could have been a good day. There could have been a stash under these mattresses, you know what I mean? So let's see if Goodwill's gonna take them, or else I'm just dropping them off somewhere on the sidewalk. That's it. Sidewalk. No, I'm not gonna do that. Alright, thank you. Goodbye, I guess.